फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग चॅप्टर एक एस एस सी बोर्डमध्ये चॅप्टर आहे, चॅप्टर नंबर 4 इन अल्जेब्रा. महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड एस एस सी बोर्डमध्ये फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग चॅप्टर आहे. मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टुडंट्स आर फाइंडिंग दॅट चॅप्टर बिट चॅलेंजिंग and so they are keeping it for option or they are not solving all sums of this chapter. So let's see what are the formulas for this chapter or what is the at a glance for this chapter. Financial planning chapter is financial planning class 10 SSC board. It's very important chapter regarding means GST related, goods and service tax related. I really appreciate for this chapter. In first exercise, that is you can calculate CGST as well as SGST, means central goods and service tax, state goods and service tax is equal to GST upon 2, whatever amount is there upon 2, half. Second is taxable value without GST, you need to add GST, whatever amount, you will get total value with GST. Almost all sum you can crack with these two things. In next exercise regarding purchase and sale, GST payable is equal to output tax on sale minus input tax on purchase, nothing but the ITC. In next exercise, that is dividend. First one is dividend. Always remember dividend is always and always calculated on face value of share, not market value. Second one is if market value is greater than face value, then your share is at premium. If market value is equal to face value, then we can say your share is at par. If market value is less than face value, share is at discount. आप बोलोगे सर मार्केट व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय? तर मार्केट व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे शेअर ज्या प्राईसला मार्केटमध्ये आहे. Third one is sum invested. Sum invested is equal to number of shares into market value. Fourth one is rate of return. Another common question they are always asking, rate of return. So dividend income upon sum invested into 100. तुम्ही जर हे व्यवस्थित केलं तर तुम्ही सगळे ऑलमोस्ट सगळे सम सॉल्व करू शकतात. इट्स रिअली व्हेरी इझी. अँड इन द लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, brokerage, you always remember that brokerage is always calculated on market value and not face value. See this, dividend always calculated on face value, brokerage is always calculated on market value. Rate of GST is 18% on brokerage. Buying price per share is market value plus brokerage. Selling price per share is market value minus brokerage. Total fund value is equal to NAV per unit into number of units. All this entire page is very beneficial to crack all kind of sums of this chapter, financial planning class 10 for SSC board. Thanks for watching.